Good Lord, I'm tired of doing these kind of videos, but I try to do a daily video or every other day or whenever I can. Who am I trying to fool? Anyway, I have decided to just put myself in a Seattle state of mind because it has been raining for so god-awful long in Texas, at least in North Texas. It's just raining every doggone day. So I'm just heading out to run a couple of errands, pick up a couple of things at my Amazon locker, and go by the UPS store, pick up some packages there. Things I don't necessarily need and things that I ordinarily wouldn't do on a rainy day. But this is Saturday. UPS store is not open on Sunday, and might as well go ahead and get it done. Not that I mind driving in the rain, it's just really rarely ever a reason to do so in Texas. Just wait for 3 or 4 hours and boom, you know, you can go. But with the Sunday impending and I want to pick up this stuff at the UPS store, well, it's just one of those days. In any case, I am more confident out with the van. I've got tie rods, I've got ball joints, every component with the exception of hydraulic lines in the brakes have been repaired. So I really got very little to complain about, at least brake function wise, in my van. So I decided I would go ahead and go do it, and I can get it done this morning and then just kind of relax the rest of the day, watch videos and listen to the rain hit the roof. On my way back, I didn't show any of the process. This just was a little bit too big a pain in the butt to really show anything. I did get a couple of things out of both my UPS store location, where I had to pay for another 6 months. When you're in a van, you need to have an address, and UPS store is a pretty good choice. You know, you can also use some of these places that give you an uptown address if your job requires that. And my address is middle class, which is about the ranking for my job, so not a big deal. In any case, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on my way back. When I get back, I'll show you the things I've gotten, and I'll probably be using a better camera. It means I'll be integrating videos from 2 different sources. I don't usually use my any of my Hero cameras for driving around, so I'm in my camera glasses, which are the lowest quality video that I've got, which is good enough video. And so when I get back, I will show you what I got, and we can get on with our day. Oh well, it's the weekend, so I am in the hotel room again. I was going to use the opportunity to do some work on the van out there. I'm going to just check some fuses, check some relays, in fact try to figure out why my secondary tank, or which is actually usually the tank that it defaults to, is now not working. When I flip the switch to change the tanks, it goes dead. So it's not getting any gas. I just hope it's not the fuel pump finally going out. In any case, this is basically what I picked up when I went out. I just got a hood prop. I've had one of these, more than one of these. This is some vinyl, and now I got vacuum cleaners going, and it's just amazing. Every time I do something, there's noise being made. This is some vinyl. I'm going to use that to cover the wires that are in the middle of my van, not to camouflage it, but just to make the wires look less stupid up there on top of the van. And these are some small DeWalt 1/4 inch sockets and a 1/4 inch socket wrench. I'm just dumping those in this bag over here, which I bought, and I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to drape it over probably the passenger seat, so I can just have some tools up there. Because if you've noticed my layout with the panels and things, it's not easy to get into the back of my vehicle. I'm still working on that, but until then, the minor things I need to do. For instance, I think I spoke in an earlier video about having to change the starter solenoid on occasion. Those simple things like that I can just do from the front, and I just keep this very small group of tools up there, and the gigantic number of tools I've got in the back, including the jack. I just let it sit there for the time being. So I want to give you a quick rundown on this. That's what I got. I wish I had a more interesting video, but let me wander over here to the window. And has it stopped raining? Yeah, it has stopped raining. But as you can see, there's puddles everywhere, so it was raining pretty consistently until just a few minutes ago. You saw in the video when I went to pick up these things, and that wasn't that long ago. It was a solid rain. Now it's better for the time being. I just want it to stop raining every once in a while. I don't want it to be an ordinary Texas spring or a Texas hot as heck summer, but just don't rain every day. All right, I will talk to you later, and I'm going to release a couple of 2 videos and 9 videos with this to sort of shore up the lack of content lately because of just the world. I'll talk to you later.